Welcome to our journey towards a healthier, fitter, and more balanced life. You know, we spend so much time caught up in the day-to-day grind that we often neglect the most important thing, ourselves. Our health, our fitness, our mental well-being, they all get pushed aside. We tell ourselves we'll start tomorrow, that we're too busy, that it's too hard. But what if I told you it doesn't have to be that way? Today we're diving into 27 powerful mantras. Think of them as little nuggets of wisdom that can transform your entire approach to health and fitness. These aren't just empty words, folks. These are tools, man. Tools to reshape your mindset, fuel your body right, crush your workouts, and find that inner peace we're all chasing. This isn't about some quick fix or magic pill. This is about making a real, lasting change. It's about getting after it, day in and day out, and seeing those small steps add up to some serious, life-changing results. So buckle up. Let's do this. Forget about being perfect, man. Focus on getting a little bit better every single day. That's where the magic happens. Rome wasn't built in a day. Don't get overwhelmed, just focus on winning today. You got this. We all got excuses, man. But champions stay focused on the goal. No excuses. Doesn't matter if you haven't started yet or you fell off the wagon. The time is now. Get back on that horse. You are capable of amazing things, believe it, own it, and then go out there and prove it. Your mind is the most powerful tool you have. Don't let it hold you back. Break those mental barriers, man. That first step is always the hardest, but once you get going, the momentum takes over. Just start. It's not about massive leaps, it's about consistency. Those small efforts day after day, that's what adds up. Your mind is a powerful thing. Believe you can achieve your goals, and your body will follow. Put good in, get good out. Nourish your body with the right fuel and watch it perform at its best. Nobody's perfect, man. It's about finding that balance. Enjoy life, but stay consistent with your health. Food is fuel, not a crutch. Make healthy choices, man. Your body will thank you for it. Each healthy meal, each workout, it's all an investment in a healthier, stronger you. Food can heal, man. It can give you energy. Choose wisely. It's your mind you gotta convince. Push through that mental resistance. Your body is capable of amazing things. Embrace the struggle. Push through that discomfort. You're stronger than you think. This ain't a competition with anyone else, man. It's about being better than you were yesterday. Embrace the sweat, man. It's a sign of hard work, dedication, and results. Our bodies were meant to move. Find what you love and get moving. Your body and mind will thank you. Don't let perfection be the enemy of good enough. Get that workout in, no matter what. Don't look at exercise as punishment. It's a celebration of what your body is capable of. This is it, man. This is your temple. Treat it with respect. Take care of yourself. They're connected, man. Build that mental resilience and your physical endurance will follow. You can't pour from an empty cup. Take time for yourself, recharge, and come back stronger. Stress kills, man. Find ways to relax, breathe. Your body and mind will thank you. Your mind is a powerful thing. Use it to push through challenges, to overcome obstacles. Never forget that. You deserve to be healthy, you deserve to feel good. So there you have it, 27 mantras to transform your approach to health and fitness. Remember, these aren't just words, they're a way of life. Print them out, write them down, tattoo them on your forehead if you have to, whatever it takes to keep them top of mind. Embrace these mantras, let them guide you, and watch as they transform your journey. Remember, this isn't about being perfect. It's about being better than yesterday. It's about consistency, dedication, and a whole lot of heart. Stay inspired, stay motivated, and keep pushing forward. This is your life. Make it count.